Perfect.
Oh, still rubbing? Actually, parents, did you know that by having your children rub their ears, sometimes it sends a cue to their brain that it's time to listen. So when you want them to listen, get ready for tidying up, or get ready for a nap, that is a really good way to get our kids to listen. Is it helping you listen, Soraya? All right, let's see what we can hear after we rub our ears. It's a train! Good job, Benny. Now it's going faster. 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 That's how very fast. What's that? Can you hear Benny? Sounds like it's slowly driving. And it stopped. That was loud. You could hear it really loud with your ears, and it stopped. And you know what that was? What was that again? That was a train.
Was it the white train?
Which one do you think it was? You think it was this one? Maybe. Or maybe it was this one. It could have been either one. I'm not sure. It was a loud train. Do you guys want to see the symbol for train? You already know stop. This is train. Can you try that? Train.
What train needs to go?
Say that again.
What light needs to go?
What?
What's
Oh, which light means go? Green means go. Good job, Soraya. And that is train. So we're going to actually go down to the train station and see what we